In this review, we're diving into B9 Credit Builder, a platform designed to help users build their credit scores. First, let's talk about the website's interface. The design is clean and user-friendly, with a straightforward layout that makes navigating easy. When you first visit the site, you're immediately introduced to the key features of the service, which include personalized credit building plans and the ability to track your credit progress over time. B9 offers a range of services to help you establish or rebuild your credit. Once you sign up, you're guided through a step-by-step process to link your financial accounts securely. This is a crucial part of the platform as it allows B9 to pull your credit report and create a tailored plan based on your financial situation. You also get access to a dashboard where you can monitor your credit score and see how it's improving as you use the platform. One of the standout features of B9 is its credit simulator. This tool helps you predict how certain actions, like paying off debt or opening new accounts, might impact your credit score. It's an excellent way to experiment with different strategies without actually making any changes to your credit. If you're looking to boost your score, this simulator can help you make more informed decisions. Another useful feature is B9's credit score monitoring. They provide regular updates and alerts whenever there are significant changes to your credit score or report. This is especially helpful for people who are actively trying to improve their credit, as it allows you to stay on top of progress and catch any potential issues early. When it comes to the customer service experience, B9 seems to be committed to supporting users. Their help center offers a wealth of information, from FAQs to detailed guides. And if you need additional help, you can reach out to their customer support team via chat or email, which is responsive and helpful. However, as with any service, there are some potential downsides. The pricing can be a little steep compared to other credit building platforms. While B9 offers valuable tools, some users might find the subscription fees to be a bit high if they're on a tight budget. Additionally, it can take some time to see tangible results in your credit score, so it's important to be patient and consistent. Overall, B9 Credit Builder offers a solid set of tools for anyone looking to improve their credit. The platform is easy to use, and the personalized credit building plan is a helpful resource for those who may be new to managing their credit. If you're serious about boosting your credit score and are willing to invest the time and money, B9 could be a good choice for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews on credit building services. Thanks for watching.